Soon the instrument spotted a fish at 154 feet. According to the detector, it's still a Big Mac. Soon the rod began to bend. Several people immediately busy up when Jarrett pulled the line in, and it showed the same results as the instrument. That tuna down there is big. It's just that the fish's strength is a little weak. It was soon pulled to the surface. OTT picked up the harpoon and plunged in. Success gives the tuna a break. They also get the seventh fish, with the help of whales. I got this huge tuna. After they pulled the fish into the boat, the tuna measured 90 inches. A beautiful, big, fat fish.